Good morning, students. Today I am going to start another topic, that is SCF and LCF. What is SCF? As you know that SCF is known as highest common factor. SCF is known as highest common factor. जैसा कि हमें नाम से ही पता लगता है कि SCF means highest common factor. So in this method, in the first method, we will start with the factor and move towards this direction. First of all, we will find factor. पहले हम factor निकालेंगे. Just take a question. Find HCF of 24 and 32. So first of all, we will write all the factor of 24. We will find out all the factor of 24. One, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. So these are the factor of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factor of 24, and all the factors of 32. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 and 32. As I have told you earlier, first we will find out the factor of a given number. We have to write all the factor of 24 and all the factor of 32, and after that the second work which we have to do, that we have to find out the common factor of 24 and 32. All the common factor of 24 and 32. That is 1, 2, 4 and 8. All the common factor of 24 and 32 is 1, 2, 4 and 8, and after that we will pick the highest common factor in this. Highest common factor is 8. Now look here. First of all, we will write all the factors of a given number, and after that all the common factor of 24 and 32. So 1 is common in both the four is also common, and after that 8 is common. These are the common numbers, common factors of a given number 1, 2, 4 and 8, and after that from the common factors we have to find out the highest common factor. We have to pick the highest common factor, which is 8. 8 is the highest common factor, so SCF is 8. This is the first method. This is the first method in which we will find the factor of a given number, and after that common factor of a given number from that number, and from the common factor we have to pick the highest one, which is the largest number, that is the highest common factor of a given number. Now we will see the another method, that is prime factorization method, that is second method by which we will find the SCF of a given number. So again we will take the same number for finding SCF, that is we will find the SCF of SCF of 24 and 32. So first we will take the first number, that is 24. In this method we will find the prime factorization. So we will convert this into the prime factorization, that is 12, 2, 6, 2, 3 and 3, 1. And after that 32, 2, 16, again by 2, that is 8, again by 2, that is 4, 2, 2 and 2, that is 1. Now see here, all the prime factors of 24, we will write all the prime factors of 24, that 2, 2, 2 means 2 is multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, and prime factor of 32, that is 2, 2 multiplied by 2, multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. Now here we are getting that these are the common. This is common, this is also common, this is also common. So we will write the common factor of common factors are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that is equal, and SCF of 24 and 32 is 8. We will multiply this number, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, we will get 8. So the SCF of a given number is 8. SCF of a given number is 8. This is the second method. Now we will see the third method, that is called division method. Again we will take the same example, same number. We have to find out the SCF of 24 and 32. So 32, this is the, as we know that this is the division method, so we will divide 32 by 24. 1 times 24 is 8. Again we will put this number 24 here, and 28 3s are 24. So this will be cancelled out, completely divisible by 8. 24 is completely divisible by 8. So this number, this 8 is the HCF of a given number. So HCF of 24 and 32 is 8. इस डिवीजन मेथड में हम ये देखते हैं कि लास्टली जिस नंबर से कंप्लीटली डिविजिबल हो जाता है, जो नंबर होता है, जो डिवाइजर होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड HCF ऑफ अ गिवन नंबर. In the third method, that is division method, HCF of 24 and 32. 32 is divided by 24 1 times, that is 24. 32 minus 24, that is equal to 8, and this 24 will be transferred here. Again this 24 is divided by the given this 8, and 8 3s are 24. This will cancel out. So 8 is the HCF of 24 and 32. By this way we will find the HCF of a given number, of any given number, by division method.